Which of the following pairs of triangles are similar? Consider this pair. If we look at this triangle, we have a right angle and 60 degrees. It follows that this angle must be 30 degrees, since we know the three angles of a triangle add up to 180. We have 30 and 90, and that means that this one is 60. All three angles are the same in both triangles, so they're the same shape, and therefore they are similar. Now consider these two triangles. Here we have a 6 centimeter side and here a 9 centimeter side. 6 and 9 and 8 and 12. 6 to 9 would cancel down to 2 to 3. 8 to 12 also cancels to 2 to 3. So all of the sides are in proportion, and therefore the triangles are similar. This side would correspond to this one to this one, and this side would correspond to this one. In this example, we have an included angle between two sides in both triangles. This is 72 in both triangles. Consider these two sides. The ratio 6 to 9 cancels to 2 to 3. 4 to 7, however, does not cancel down and is not the same ratio. Therefore, these two triangles are not similar. Now consider these two triangles. We know two of the angles, 28 and 80. The angles must add to 180, so the remaining angle is 72 degrees. Here in this triangle, the remaining angle would be 82 degrees. Comparing the angles, they're not all the same, and therefore these triangles are not similar.